Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be dealing with the two dents on this Renault Clio. One is here, as you can see, okay, and we're going to take them out without any sophisticated tools. As you can see from here, there's a big dent here on the quarter light panel, okay, and it's got a similar dent on the other side as well. So you can see the crease in the panel on the right hand side, and the similar type is on the left hand side as well, as you can see. So we'll be fixing these dents, okay. As you can see this side as well, the panel has been creased. So to start off with, what we're going to do is we have taken the seat out, the back seat, and now we're going to be removing the quarter casings on both sides, left and right, okay, to get to the panels from inside. And we're going to show you step by step what we're going to do to repair the dents. Right, we'll be removing the seat belts first. Right, we've done the right hand side seat belt. Now we're gonna do the left hand side, because the quarter casing, inner quarter casing comes up to this area here where my finger is, all this area, okay. So that's what we're gonna take off now. Right, next we're gonna take the speaker cover off. Okay. Right, we're just taking the speaker cover off. Okay. So in order to take the quarter casing off, we'll have to undo all these screws here. One here, and there's another one just there. It looks to me that there are two screws and the rest is just the clips, so we'll have to pull the whole quarter casing out to do that. And before we do that, we'll have to remove the door seal. So the door seal from the bottom, this area here. Yeah, just up to here, okay. So just remove the door seal. So now we're gonna pull the panel out. So we're gonna be doing it from this side here, from the middle, from here. Right, we've taken the quarter casing out, okay. So this is the panel where we have to work. So in order to take the dent out, we'll apply some hot water on it to soften the metal, and then we're gonna push it from inside to take the dent out, okay. That's what we're gonna do. Right, we're gonna be pouring burning hot water to soften the panel so that we can push the dent from inside, okay. that done. So now we're gonna push the panel from inside to get the dent out. Right, just gonna push the panel out. Guys, as you can see, we're not using any sophisticated tools to take this dent out. So we've taken quite a lot from this area, and it's this crease here which we're gonna fix now. So I'm gonna do it with a wooden button. Okay, just gonna put looks way better than what it was. So just gonna do a little bit more here, this area. This area here. Looks presentable as well as compared to what it was before.
I'm gonna pour some hot water. One more. Same place, one more.
There you go, guys. You can see the final product is looking way better than before. Once we give it a good wash and then polish it, the white stuff gonna come off, and you can see the finishing product on the right hand side as well. It looks way better than what it was before. Thank you very much for watching the video.